Today, we're diving deep into the world of passive income. If you've ever wondered how to start generating money while you sleep, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll demystify passive income strategies and show you how to get started. So, what exactly is passive income? It's a game changer, folks, and understanding it is your first step towards financial freedom. Passive income is the secret sauce of financial success. It's the money you earn with little to no effort on your part. The cash that flows into your bank account while you're out there living your life. You're not trading hours for dollars. Instead, your money is working for you 24/7. Just imagine waking up in the morning and finding out you made money while you were dreaming. Sounds like a dream itself, right? Well, it's not. It's the magic of passive income, and today we're demystifying it for you. Passive income can come from various sources. It's not just for the financial elite. Anyone can tap into this wealth-building strategy. It's like having multiple income streams that keep flowing, even when you're not actively working. Are you dreaming of making $1 million in real estate? Well, heed this advice by Noah Kagan. Don't dive into real estate investing just yet. Despite its allure, it's not just a place to make money. It's also where you can lose a significant amount. Many enter the realm of real estate with visions of wealth, not realizing the potential financial pitfalls that come with investing. Consider starting with brokerage. It's a no-risk investment where your time is the primary investment, dedicated to building relationships. These relationships are with individuals who will compensate you for aiding them in executing a real estate transaction. The beauty of brokerage, you're not tied to the intricacies of the transaction. There's no need to worry about the nitty-gritty like purchasing materials. So whether you're a hands-on landlord or prefer a hands-off approach, real estate offers versatile passive income opportunities that align with your preferences and financial goals. Next up is the world of dividend stocks, where your money can truly start working for you. If you've ever wondered how to generate passive income through the stock market, you're in for a treat. At its core, investing in dividend stocks means becoming a part owner of some of the world's most reputable companies. These companies reward their shareholders by regularly sharing a portion of their profits in the form of dividends. By investing in well-established companies that pay dividends, you can enjoy a steady income flow. Dive into research, gain insights, and let your investments flourish. Now, let's shift our focus to a truly creative way of generating passive income, creating and selling digital products. This is where your skills and knowledge can turn into a digital goldmine. And guess what? Many YouTubers are already doing it successfully, just like Marie Forleo. Forleo emphasizes the importance of understanding the impact of these platforms on our psyche and how easily we can get entrapped in wanting to augment these numbers. A few years ago, she took a pause to reflect on the influence of her social media usage. She noted the harm done by simply choosing to follow certain people or pages. This library of people and pages, Forleo mentions, has a significant influence on our worldview and self-perception. For example, following accounts focused on extravagant lifestyles, wealth, and materialism, such as those posting images of luxury cars, can inundate our minds with junk values. Now, let's explore another exciting passive income strategy that often goes hand in hand with YouTube: affiliate marketing. It's all about promoting products or services you believe in and earning commissions for doing so. Ever wondered how affiliate marketing operates? When someone clicks the affiliate link, it contains specific information notifying platforms like Amazon that the click originated from your link. The magic lies right here in the tag of the link. This tag carries all the necessary data. For simplicity, all we do is grab the short link and copy it. Voila! You have your own affiliate link ready to go. Now, assume you've joined an affiliate network and picked a product to promote. What's next? The adventure doesn't stop here. It's time to spread the word and share the link. The objective? Getting people to visit your website or product page through your link. Affiliate marketing is like being a trusted guide for your audience. You partner with companies or brands that align with your content and values. Then you share special affiliate links with your viewers. And there you have it, passive income strategies demystified. Whether it's real estate, stocks, digital products, or YouTube, there are plenty of ways to start generating money while you sleep. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.